Hi friends, my name is Sagar. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to shoot my vlog day from Osmo Pocket. That's a new camera. It's kind of a new member in my filming kit. And as you can see, this is my entire filming kit. And I'm super excited to see how it goes out. This is super tiny. But as you can see, they made it very conveniently. It can goes into my pocket. It's a mic. And the good thing is, you don't need to worry to sync anything. It goes directly into this, and with the help of this do it all handle, I'm going to shoot it. I'm also going to try how I can mount my mobile phone over here, and I'm also going for a vaccination today, so let's see how it goes out. Say hi to my camera. My girlfriend Harsha. Let's go. We're waiting for our Uber. So guys, as this is our second dose, we are already prepared for it, and I think it's going to rain today. So that's why we are going via Uber. And thing I have heard about Pfizer, that second dose is more painful, as I have heard from online reviews. My girlfriend is super scared about the pain. Let's see. I'm also going to test my Osmo Pocket today, and this is the first time I'm taking it out. I love this microphone over here. It's super tiny, and this also in my hand super tiny. And I'm also going to test my do it all handle. That's why I have used my phone on my wrist. It's following me. So Uber is almost here. Let me put on my mask. Safety first.
I don't want to go. Please don't do this to me. Please.
So when we got the email that we are eligible for a vaccination, so I was little skeptical, not because I'm afraid of it, but because I thought that first the people who are doing essential jobs, those are really necessary for these things. But later on I heard the news that Toronto, Canada government is going to open the lockdown layer by layer, and it depends on how many people have got the first vaccination, then how percentage of people got the second vaccination, they will open more. So then I realized, okay, we should get it, so that government record number of people can be increased who got the first vaccination. And yeah, so our first vaccination was like 1.5 month ago, and now this is the second one. Hopefully everything will be open soon. It depends on how many people get vaccinated. Friends, it's always good to have an appointment because there will be a lineup. So in order to avoid the waiting time, and basically it's always good to book an appointment first. And we finally reached our destination. And friends, this Uber guy was really helpful for us. He know where to drop people who are coming for vaccination. And also I noticed that he was carrying a sanitizer at the back seat for passengers. It's really worth it. And yes, of course we are gonna give him a good tip. This is actually a good spot to test the mic quality. I'm wearing a mask, and as you can notice, there's a lots of noise here. Some guy mowing the lawn. There's some construction trucks. And guys, this is really good because they give you an extra mask to put it on top of your own mask, and they also give you sanitizer at the entrance. And I'll just flip the camera to show you all how crowded it is. Yeah, so friends, vaccine is done, second dose done, yo moment, and I'm really happy. This one was really smooth, didn't take much time. Last time we had to wait a lot, but this time it's really fast. It all done within like 20 minutes. Everything is done in 20 minutes, and there's no pain. Right now I'm not feeling anything, but my girlfriend, she's waiting there. She's still little skeptical, little afraid of the needle and everything. So guys, finally we are fully vaccinated. Both doses are done. I am so happy and excited, and hopefully we all get cured soon. My lovely girlfriend, she also got little scared. See. So yeah, so overall process, I'm really super impressed with this because they have managed it very well. There's not much lineup, all well organized. They give you masks and sanitizer first, then you give your details like health card, license or passport, whatever ID you are carrying. After that, they will book a slot from a doctor and he will give you the vaccination. And I was really happy to see that everyone was sitting 6 feet apart, even more. Yeah, it was crowded but not very close. Everyone was maintaining the social distancing, and that's a good part actually. Actually, this whole campus is making us a little nostalgic. When we came like 2 years ago and we saw this campus, it is huge. This is one of the biggest campus of Centennial College, and I'll show you my picture when I clicked when we came here.
No, the thing is, right after we landed in Canada, just the second day we had to register for our course. So we found our way, and we didn't know because we had booked our Airbnb on the other part of the city, so we had to travel for 1.5 hours, and we reached this campus. And we were so excited for this new journey, this new lifestyle and everything. And this 1 year was just in the lockdown.
Yeah.
Today we are here again, completed our second dose. Hopefully the lockdown restrictions would lift away soon, and we will finally get to live the kind of lifestyle we came here for.
Exactly. So friends, overall the quality of the footage is really good. I am super impressed, and the best thing is it fits in your hand very comfortably. You don't feel like you're carrying another camera or a vlogging kit or something. It's really good, and it encourages you more to shoot more videos. So overall the footage is good and voice quality is good. I'm super impressed with this tiny microphone. This does a good job in wind reduction. As far as noise reduction is concerned, it's good but not 100%. So overall I'm really impressed with it. I will also shoot some unboxing and product reviews with Osmo Pocket in my coming videos, so stay tuned, and thank you for subscribing.